Let's prep this guitar for consignment. This is a 1953 National New Yorker, and I've owned it for at least 10 years, and I don't think I cleaned it when I got it, so there's some vintage retro finger cheese on these frets. See, just this section is done. That is a messy process, so do it outside and cover your pickup. Speaking of the pickup, this is not the original Ralph Keller pickup. It's been retrofitted with a D'Armond golden tone with original wiring harness. I love the Ralph Keller pickups, but they are quite dark, meaning they don't have a lot of treble. So this S-foil is very hot and much better suited to a multitude of music styles. Next, we're gonna juice up the board with some board butter.